medicinal, nutritional plants, etc. I would say cultural roots are far important for any community. These are the bridge. I hope and pray God Almighty give us blessings to really stay close to our culture, our mother tongue, our language, and all the goodness that our forefathers have done. Let's preserve our culture, protect our heritage, and live in harmony with the nature so that we live and we live and give an intergenerational contribution for the generations to come. The greener, beautiful, like the springs and the rivers and the hills, mountains. And let coming generation inherit this beautiful state.
Là sai, là complete.
Enchanting hills,
Là punta belum step sa dalam ta.
falls, and Mari can also try successfully. I hope I will also do the South Indian tongue. He's there with me.
Kendriang upna.
Dustur, Kalamkum Pudieng, Kaklem King, here, Baskem, Namarkata, Batklet, Yeda Katindra, Yeda, Bat.
Betul lah sampai phone ni. Phone ni tu ada. Sahanya. Jadi macam tu sampai phone lah. Saya upload ke. Tidak je. যাবা
হ্যাঁ বস্তি যাব
বসতে যাবো
হ্যাঁ
বসতে যাব বসতে যাব
বিস্তর যাবে এলো তে মালিক